If you're looking to get into FPV, this might be the time to jump because Rotor Riot has marked down their Fat Shark Dominator HD starter kit, which includes quadcopter, batteries, charger, tools, controller, everything delivered to you in the box, ready to go, pre-programmed, no fuss, no muss. And it is their solder-free build, which means that if when something breaks, you can order a spare part from them and replace it without ever having to pick up a soldering iron. This is not for everybody, but it is going to be for a lot of people. And if you are one of them, they've marked the price down pretty substantially. The starter kit has been marked down to just under $1,000 if you get the Skylight version. That's their little 3-inch Cinewhoop. Personally, I would take the 3.5-inch Skylight without the ducts, as I think it's going to fly better, but that depends a lot on what type of flying you want to do. And if you've already got a controller and stuff, and you're just thinking about switching to the Dominator, the walk snail system, you can get the quadcopter and the goggles alone for, oh, hang on. You can get the quadcopter and the goggles alone for $7.99. I also want to let you know about this markdown from Get FPV. This is the Joshua Bardwell DIY build, and that's a kit that I made a tutorial for that you can build yourself, but this isn't the DIY kit. Get FPV also sells a bind and fly version where they just build it for you. And if you're interested in that, it's been marked down from $549 to $459 for the DJI version and $399 to $359 for the analog version. Well, there's not as much markup in analog, so there's not as much room to mark it down. There are links in the video description down below to all of these products, but if you're not quite sure yet, here's a helpful video where Ken Heron came to my house and he built a Rotor Riot solder-free build, and it'll give you an idea of what the Rotor Riot solder-free experience is like. Here is a video where I took out and I flew my DIY build, so you can get a sense of what that Get FPV quadcopter would fly like if you were to pick it up.